Who has taken oath as the President of United States in 2025? Right answer is option B, Donald Trump. What is India's rank in World Happiness Report 2025 among 147 countries? Right answer is option D, 118th. Who has recently become the richest woman of India as of 2025? Right answer is option A, Roshni Nadar. Who won the Asian Kabaddi Championship 2025 title recently? Right answer is option C, India. Who became the new chairman of Indian Space Research Organization in 2025? Right answer is option B, V. Narayana. Which film won the Oscar for the Best Picture at 17th Academy Awards? Right answer is option D, Anora. Which Indian company has become the most valuable brands in India 2025? Right answer is option A, Tata Group. Which team won the Women's Premier League 2025 title? Right answer is option C, Mumbai Indians. Which country has withdrawn from the WHO recently? Right answer is option B, USA. Which state has become the first Indian state to implement Uniform Civil Code? Right answer is option D, Uttarakhand. How many players honored with the Khel Ratna Award in 2025? Right answer is option A, 4 players. When did Bangladesh recently celebrated its 55th Independence Day? Right answer is option C, on 26th March. Which airport has recently become the Asia's best airport in 2025? Right answer is option B, Delhi Airport. Which country won the ICC Champions Trophy 2025 title? Right answer is option D, India. Where will new urea plant be established announced in Union Budget 2025? Right answer is option A, Namrup in Assam state. The naval exercise Varuna 2025 was conducted between which? Right answer is option C, both A and B, India and France. Who won the both men's and women's Kho-Kho World Cup 2025 title? Right answer is option B, India. Where was 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas convention was held in 2025? Right answer is option D, Bhubaneswar in Odisha state. Who won the both men's and women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025? Right answer is option A, India. Where has the world's largest wildlife rescue center, Vantra, inaugurated? Right answer is option C, Gujarat. Recently, which country has become the second largest road network in world? Right answer is option B, India. Who has won the 2025 Ranji Trophy title in India? Right answer is option D, Vidarbha. Who has recently been appointed as the new chairman of SEBI? Right answer is option A, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. The third edition of Exercise Cyclone 2025 is conducted between which country? Right answer is option C, India and Egypt. What percent has central government increased the salary of MPs? Right answer is option B, 24%. Who has become the youngest world chess champion 2024? Right answer is option D, D. Gukesh. China has recently launched its AI chatbot by what name? Right answer is option A, DeepSeek. Who has recently been awarded by the Abel Prize 2025? Right answer is option C, Masaki Kashiwara. Which country holds the top position in the global GDP rankings as of 2025? Right answer is option B, USA. Which country hosted the AI Action Summit in February 2025? Right answer is option D, France. Which state's 113th Foundation Day was celebrated on March 2025? Right answer is option A, Bihar. Which state government has launched Path scheme in January 2025? Right answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Which state won title of Santosh Trophy 2024-25? Right answer is option B, West Bengal. Which Indian American singer won 67th Grammy Award in 2025? Right answer is option D, Chandrika Tandon. Where was Mahakumbh Mela organized in India in 2025? Right answer is option A, Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh. What is the rank of India in Global Firepower Index 2025? Right answer is option C, 4th. How many children have been awarded by Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar? Right answer is option B, 17. Which city is host of World Government Summit 2025? Right answer is option D, Dubai in UAE. Which country won the Sabah Women's Basketball Championship 2025? Right answer is option A, India. How many persons have been awarded with the Padma Awards in 2025? Right answer is option C, 139. Who has been appointed as new CEO of UDI since January 2025? Right answer is option B, Bhuvnesh Kumar. Which country has recently won the ICC Women's Under-19 T20 World Cup 2025? Right answer is option D, India. Where was the 2025 World Sustainable Development Summit held in March? Right answer is option A, New Delhi in India. Who has been recently appointed as the Executive Director of the RBI? Right answer is option C, Indranil Bhattacharya. Which state will host the Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Right answer is option B, Bihar. Which country has officially joined the BRICS as a full member in 2025? Right answer is option D, Indonesia. Who has been appointed as 26th Chief Election Commissioner in 2025? Right answer is option A, Gyanesh Kumar. Who has honored with the BCCI's Lifetime Achievement Award 2025? Right answer is option C, Sachin Tendulkar. Which country was the official host of the ICC Champions Trophy 2025? Right answer is option B, Pakistan. Who has become the first ever woman president of International Olympic Committee? Right answer is option D, Christy Coventry. Who has topped the medal tally of 38th National Games 2025? Right answer is option A, SSCB. Who won the Booker Prize 2025 for her novel Orbital? Right answer is option C, Samantha Harvey. Which country has recently joined the OPEC Plus in 2025? Right answer is option B, Brazil. Who has been appointed as the director of the FBI recently in 2025? Right answer is option B, Kas Patel. Which country will host the ASEAN Summit 2025? Right answer is option D, Malaysia. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index 2025? Right answer is option A, 85th. Who has won the title of Indian Snooker Championship 2025? Right answer is option C, Pankaj Advani. Who has become the new Chief Minister of Delhi recently in 2025? Right answer is option B, Rekha Gupta. Which state topped Khelo India Para Games 2025 recently? Right answer is option D, Haryana. This question is as a test that where was the Global Investor Summit 2025 held recently? Your options are option A, Bhopal, option B, Patna, option C, Ahmedabad, and option D, Jaipur. You have 5 seconds to the answer of this question and your time starts now. So please type your answer of this question in this video comment box and please support and share this video to your friends and relatives. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. So like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.